Hey Global Game Jam, I'm Ciro, Creator Advocate at Unity. At Unity, game jams are part of our DNA. Personally, I've always been a jammer, and in the past, a site organizer and a regional organizer for Global Game Jam. With Unity, we've been part of Global Game Jam for many years, and we're really proud to be part of it again this year. However, this year is a bit of a special one. We won't be able to travel and meet you in person and go to our favorite jam sites, and we're a bit sad about that. But we're here to wish you all good luck in this special weekend. We've created this resource page to guide you and inspire you through the jam. If you want some additional help, come hang out with us on the Unity Discord or on the Unity forums. And if you make something special this weekend, please share it with us with the hashtags MadeWithUnity and GGJ Online. We're really looking forward to see what you will create.
Hello, my name is Arturo. I'm a developer advocate at Unity. I live in Austin, Texas.
Hey everyone, my name is Shema Damak. I'm based in Copenhagen, Denmark.
Hello everyone, my name is Ben McElmile and I'm a developer advocate here at Unity, based out of London, Ontario, Canada.
I'm Ashley Alicea, one of the developer advocates for games at Unity, and I'm based in Los Angeles, California.
Hello everyone, my name is André Cardoso and I'm a content developer at Unity Technologies.
Hi, I'm Amel, Creator Advocate at Unity. I'm based in Copenhagen, in Denmark.
Hey there, I'm Alexandre. I'm the head of Developer Advocates for the Americas at Unity. I'm based in São Paulo, Brazil.
Hello, my name's Dan Miller, and I'm based in San Francisco, California, in the United States.
Hi everyone, my name is Elena Nizhnik, and I'm a member of Creator Advocacy team from Washington, D.C. in the United States.
And I just want to wish you the best of luck at this Global Game Jam, which I know is going to be very, very different from previous years.
But I still hope everyone has a lot of fun, gets to learn a lot, and meet a bunch of new people.
I think it's still really important to reach out to one another, help everyone out, get to know your community, and share your games.
This is actually my 12th year of participating in Global Game Jam. I first joined in 2010. I remember the theme was deception, and it was such an incredible experience that it's now become one of my favorite days of the year.
I'm super excited to see everyone partaking in Global Game Jam this year. I've done about a dozen or so game jams myself in the past.
I've been in 7 or 8 game jams for the past 4 years.
I'm joining Global Game Jam for the first time remotely.
I've participated in 5 previous Global Game Jams, dating back to 2013.
And it's always great to see, developers and what they can develop and create in just a few days.
Here are some of my tips for you. First, try to use prefabs and prefab variants so that you can share your tasks with your teammates. Second, have fun. And third, try to get some sleep.
One of my favorite Unity tips is to hit the F key in order to focus the scene view camera on a selected object.
Be sure to research what kind of systems your game idea needs, and just check to see if not just Unity, any tool that you're working on might have features that support that or will take care of that for you. So you don't have to spend time creating it from scratch, and you can spend more time having fun and making your game the best game it could possibly be.
One of my favorite Unity tips is that you can lock window tabs while developing your game.
Here is my Unity tip for you. If you want to create your game with exciting visuals while keeping it performant, remember you can use the Universal Render pipeline, which offers you the best of both worlds across a range of platforms.
One of my favorite Global Game Jam memories is driving with a car full of buddies in the middle of the winter in Ohio to try to make it to the kickoff to one of the jam sites.
My favorite Global Game Jam memory, I can't pick just one, whether it's joining my friends on a 7-hour road trip just to go to a jam site, or dancing to video game remixes by salsa musicians who are making music for a game, or even running around a science center where a jam was held. Every single year of Global Game Jam has been an incredible experience, and I can't wait to see what this year brings.
I remember during one of my game jams when I fell off a chair laughing at 4 a.m. just because I had a bug that I couldn't explain.
If I can give you any piece of advice, is just have fun, make some games, and definitely try to meet new people.
I wish you the best of luck in the Global Game Jam this year.
Good luck and have fun, everyone.
That's it. Eat well, rest well, stay safe, and have fun. Cheers.
So for all of you that are first-timers, beginners, and possibly Russian speakers, high five, and I wanted to say udachi. I hope you will have the best of times.
Good luck to everyone out there. And to my fellow Brazilians, I just want to say boa sorte e tamo junto. Ciao!
ما تنسوش باش تعملوا جو وبون شانس.
Buena suerte.
Je vous souhaite bonne chance et à bientôt.
Te deseo mucho éxito y espero que tengan un excelente Global Game Jam online.
Ciao e buona fortuna a tutti. Spero che riusciate a creare qualcosa di unico, ma mi raccomando, soprattutto divertitevi.